Speaking of technology that Apple is looking to embrace, they want to do their own over-the-ear headphones. You've probably heard about them. They were maybe going to be called pods. People didn't know what they're going to do. Because, of course, they have the Beats brand as well. But then the AirPods Pro were so successful. It's like, why do we have this extra branding? Can we have them both? We should probably just have Apple over-ear headphones as well. And this patent offers some kind of indication into what those might be like, including a fairly cool specification outlined in the patent filing, which seems to indicate that you could put the headphones on in either orientation. No left, no right, Will. So you don't always have to, you look at the little indicator, feel like a loser doing that.
So I guess it's really balanced. It's just more of like a comfort thing.
Well, so here's the thing, right? The reason the left and right is important is because, let's say you're watching a movie, it's been mixed to potentially certain things in your left ear, right ear. Same with music, stereo mix. Some things are supposed to show up on the left, not the right. So what these are going to have to do is use some sensors to figure out what their orientation is. So you're still going to get left on the right side, but of course, digitally, right? Through the wireless transmission. You'll just get the left in the left ear, whichever orientation you happen to have. Apparently, these sensors are also going to be capable of knowing how you're wearing the headphones, potentially to figure out other aspects like when to pause the music, when you have them around your neck, things like this. Tremendous number of sensors in there. Instead of having to ensure that we're putting them on the right way around, the left ear cup over the left ear, the headphones could automatically detect the orientation and adjust their output to match the orientation. The systems and methods described herein may be used, for example, to detect a gesture such as swipe and, play pause the music forward and back. And you're going to have, so picture forward and back. This is another reason that you would need sensors in order to determine the orientation of the headset. Because if you flip them around the other way, then forward and back changes.
Right.
So talk about some pretty high-tech stuff over here. But totally possible. Your phone, through the variety of sensors in there, knows what its orientation is. So why can't your headphones know that orientation as well? So they're working on some cool stuff. And they may put out a pair of over-ear headphones before this tech is implemented. This could be for a future version, but either way, they're working on it.
What are the chances of this diagram happening, of like another form factor? They pull it back, like the band goes around your neck?
Yes, Sony had a pair like that in the old days, but it was a smaller ear cup. Companies have experimented. What, you like that right there? You're trying to protect the hairdo, and that what's going on? Okay.
I think that's the reason.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe people were wearing the hats like I do. Maybe it's more comfortable. Every pair that I've tried behind the neck, I've never really liked that much, but it's a possibility.